I'm so excited to share Mazda CX-50 news with you today, and it's a huge day for the automotive industry, specifically Mazda and the state of Alabama, and for you, all the crossover lovers.
More car vids. More car vids.
Today in North Alabama and Huntsville at the MTM plant, the Job 1 first CX-50 came off the line, and it was celebrated and honored with many members of the Team 1 leadership group from Mazda of MNAO, Mazda North American Operations, and many of the MTM plant workers, including the Discovery line workers. Now, if you remember, Apollo is the Toyota line, Discovery is the Mazda line. So the Discovery line, Go Team Discovery, is the workforce that's going to only work on the Mazda product. As of now, the CX-50, as we get closer and closer to that 150,000 unit goal, I expect from early numbers that this year, for the first rollout from now until the end of 2022, they're targeting 65,000, and that's mostly because of still vacant positions that are a little bit harder to get filled right now as far as the workforce and this specific skill set. Thank you to all of the MTM workforce, especially the Discovery line, the MTM leadership, and MNAO for allowing the production of this wonderful CX-50 to take place in America. Now let's jump into today's event. This is their quality shop line, and as you can see, vehicle number 2 in the beautiful Soul Red Crystal is in line, ready to go through quality control and get checked out. And here is a view from a little bit higher up of this quality line. These are part of the Job 1 production, which means that these will be the first vehicles that come to dealerships, that come to the first ever owners and drivers of the CX-50. So these Job 1 and the vehicle that we'll see in just a minute as the first vehicle to officially roll off the production line for Job 1 will be the first vehicles on the road by you owners. Check out this video.
The all-new Mazda CX-50, followed by representatives from all of our production shops. Thank you guys for what you have accomplished.
That was pretty cool, a little bit hard to hear, but just like the Corolla Cross, this vehicle came down to Born to be Wild. So, made in Alabama, going to be more off-road, a little wild for sure. Here's a photo, a little close-up photo here of that beautiful Polymetal Gray vehicle. And you can see President and CEO Jeff Guyton on the passenger side there of this first off-the-line vehicle. And notice the MTM employees around the vehicle. These represent every shop and every position. There's a representative for everything that made this vehicle there following the vehicle, and as you saw in the video. So that's really cool. A lot of hard work. Congratulations to all of you MTM, again, workers. Again, thank you for your production and diligence to produce this vehicle, and through the training period that's really been over a year since they've been hiring there. So I know this was a big day and a big event for you. So congratulations and thanks for all the hard work. Here's that beautiful front grille of the black signature wing. Here's a rear, and you see that this one is the turbo model, was number 1. So not sure if they're going to alternate as they go through turbo, non-turbo, or what the case may be. But the first vehicle, of course, had this wonderful SkyActiv G Turbo. So excited to see the turbo was first. And here's a glance at the interior. This one, of course, the beautiful terracotta. So expect this to be some type of premium or signature model. Not sure exactly how they're all going to break down, but it does have the terracotta. So again, the beautiful wheels, as you can see, I'm so excited about those. A little bit of a throwback to the old pizza wheels. And here's a more of a wide angle look at the entire vehicle there. Thank you again for everyone involved in today's event and MTM as a whole. Discovery Line, go Team Discovery, especially for their dedication and commitment to bringing such a beautiful, and I'm sure the quality, ride quality, driving experience, driving dynamics are going to be what we expect from Mazda. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you for all, everything in this wonderful vehicle, and keep up the good work. And that's all I've got on this one. If you have any questions or comments on the CX-50 or more information on today's event, drop a comment below and check out in the description, because I have a link to the full video, full event there from one of the local Huntsville stations, and some links to some of the other sites that I received this information from. So I'll be here on the boulevard for listening out for all new CX-50 information. And I'll see you on the next one.
More car vids.